All right, dear children, welcome back to the class. We're looking at this chapter called probability. Everybody got to know about what is probability and all. So many things we have seen, and we have seen detailing about cards also. We learned about how many types of cards are there, what are the numbered cards, all those things. Did you learn all those things, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let us solve one more problem here so that you feel confident, and let's wind up the chapter of probability. The question is like this. Write down this question. All of you write down this question. In a pack of 52 cards, in a pack of 52 cards, an ace of diamond, an ace of diamond is missing. An ace of diamond is missing. A card is picked randomly. A card is picked randomly. A card is picked randomly. Find the probability of getting. Find the probability of getting A. First one is like a black card. B. Red card. Red card. Okay. Write down this first of all of you. In a pack of 52 cards, an ace of diamond. An ace of diamond is missing. You understand ace, no? And you understand diamond also, no?
Yes, sir.
Diamond, which is ace. Okay. An ace of diamond is missing. A card is picked randomly. Find the probability of getting black card, red card, and let me take C as a king. Okay. D as a diamond. D as diamond. Next E as a ace. F as a numbered card. Numbered card, and G as non-numbered card. Okay. With this question, everything related to your probability over, dear children. Non-numbered card. Write down all this. Okay. Everybody wrote the question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Everyone who is still writing the question, they say yes. Now look at this question, dear children. In a pack of 52 cards, an ace of diamond is missing means how many cards are remaining now? 51 cards are remaining now.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? One card is missing, that too ace of diamond is missing. Diamond means red, no it is?
Yes, sir.
One ace is one, it is not like one ace is also missing and one diamond is also missing. No, not like that. Ace of diamond is missing. Clear, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I mean, how many cards are missing? One card is missing or two cards are missing?
One card, sir.
Now, what they're asking about A. What they're asking about probability of getting black card. Now, tell me, how many black cards are there, dear children? 26, no?
Yes, sir.
26. And how many total number of cards are there? Is it 52 or 51?
52. 51, sir. 51.
51. No, why 50? Why 51? One is missing, no, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Everybody got it, what I said?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I hope everybody got it. Okay. Now, in the B, what they're asking, what is the probability of getting a red card they're asking, no?
Yes, sir.
Now, total red cards are 26. But one ace of diamond means ace of diamond is also red or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, how probability of getting a red card, is it like 25 divided by 51 now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because red cards
Yes,
are
sir.
26, no doubt in that. But one red card, that is like ace of diamond. Diamond means red, that is missing, no? So that's why we have to take 25 by 51 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now look at this C. Now what is a C1? See what they're asking. They're asking what is the
King.
probability of getting a king. King means how many kings will be there? 4 kings are there, no?
4.
Over.
Yes,
4
sir.
divided by 51. No need to do any hustle and bustle here. It is 4 by 51. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, how about D? Now, look at this D. What they're asking? What is the probability of
Diamond.
getting diamond? They're asking. Diamond. How many diamonds will be there? Total. And generally, you tell me how many diamonds are there.
13.
13 diamonds are there. And one diamond is missing means what will be this? This is 12 by 51, no?
12.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Yeah? Try to
Yes,
catch
sir.
this point, dear children. Try to catch this. This is very, very important. What I'm telling right now is. Yeah?
Yes,
E.
sir.
E. E is like what
Yes.
they're asking. Find the probability of getting an ace. How many aces are there? 4 aces are there. But one ace is missing. No. That's why it becomes 3 by 51. No.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Tell me. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, okay, fine. So everybody is getting this. Now, 12 by 51 means 3 4s are 3 17s are we can cancel like this. No, it becomes 4 by 17. No, you have to keep it in simplified form. No. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Nobody observed that. Here also 3 by 51 means 3 ones are, then 3 ones are, 2 is a carry, 3 sevens. It becomes 1 by 17. No.
Yes, sir.
You
Yes,
have
sir.
to observe these kind of things also. You should not leave them. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the F? F means what they're asking. Find the probability
Numbered
of getting
cards.
Number
numbered. Now, how many numbered cards are there, dear children? Numbered card.
36.
36 are there. And there won't be any effect because AC is missing. 36 divided by 51 over. Then 3 ones are, 3 twos are, then 3 17s are. Answer is like 12 by 17. Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Now, what
Yes,
is
sir.
the G they're asking? They're asking for find the probability of getting non-numbered cards, no? Find the probability of getting non-numbered cards, no? Yeah? My screen is not
Yes.
visible, I guess. Correct?
Yes, sir. Not visible.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Give me a minute so that I can share it. Yeah. Now, are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Non-numbered card means how many will be there? Tell me now.
16.
16.
15, sir. 15, sir.
15, sir.
No,
15.
no, Hari, please give chance for other people also. Total non-numbered cards are like ace, jack, queen, king. 4. 4 into 4 is 16. One ace is missing. No, that's why it is 15 or not.
15.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
15 by 51. So it becomes 3 5s are and 3 17s are. So answer becomes 5 by 17. No?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. Tell me, dear children, did you understand all this, whatever I have told?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you have missed out something also, no need to worry at all. We are always there with you. One thing, let me share it off and let me give you one big thing to do because you will be completely occupied if you start to do that. If you start to do that, you'll be completely occupied. That is for sure. Now let it reach you. It will reach you. No need to worry at all. Now immediately when you go to WhatsApp, that to my catalog here. Now see here, dear children. What is there for you? What is this? Look at this. What is this?
10th class
Probability.
probability.
Yes, class 10. This is not only for class 10. This is for class 9 also. How many questions are there? Tell me, dear children.
15.
15.
So, will you solve all of these and ask me doubts?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
All kinds of questions are there. You can just go into depth of your textbook and depth of 10th standard textbook and you can solve them and you can ask me all doubts and definitely for solutions. Look at this. For solutions, you can contact the Kalparuksha classes that to me anytime. Is that understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, all right, children. Now you should be getting ready with this. Okay, in our WhatsApp catalog, you can see them. But if you're not finding them, let me share them also with you. so that let me share the link also, so that immediately you reach there. Yes or no? So notes is also available. I have shared the link. Now the link has come to you or not? Just check.
Came, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you
Yes,
if
sir.
you just look at if you click on this, you'll go there. Will you solve them now? You have to start now only.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So will you solve?
Yes,
Yes,
yes, sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is your prime responsibility to solve them. So let me talk to new people also. I think Saujanya Bavlati is the only girl who has joined newly, and she is also leaving and coming back. And I think so many people are coming here. So let me call up them and let me do that. Okay, okay, dear children, keep on studying. Thank you very much for joining the class, and I will be seeing you in the next class. And today it won't be possible again because we are going to Tirdal for this B.Ed college work. There is some B.Ed college work is there because madam is doing B.Ed. So we have to get her assignments and all. That's why I'll be going there. And there is one function also. They have called us for one celebration. So that's why today it won't be possible. I'm sorry to announce this. But please don't worry. Our syllabus is far ahead and we are doing very great. Rather than the institutions, we have hit so much of syllabus. And I will be seeing you tomorrow 8 o'clock. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
dear children. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Have a
sir.
good day. Bye-bye. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.